In this video, we will discuss breaking down a research topic into searchable keywords databases will understand. We all search Google nearly every day, entering phrases or questions into a single search box and get pages of results. Scholarly research on databases is a little different. If I search our entire research question here, I will get 0 results. This doesn't mean there isn't any information, however. Articles are organized on databases by subject terms, or for our purposes, keywords. Rather than searching using natural language, we must break down our research topic into noun-based and descriptive terms separated by the words and or. The and combines the terms together in the articles of our search results. Each term combined with and decreases or narrows down the number of search results. Let's try a search. We searched health professions education and test anxiety and got 7 results. We can increase our search results by adding in additional terms separated by or. Each term separated by or allows us to broaden our results by connecting related or synonymous terms. Let's try entering in all the different ways of describing health professions education and the different kind of students such as nursing, physical therapy, and nutrition. We can also expand upon test anxiety and add in demographics. We now have 160 articles and more articles that are a better fit for our topic. We can also revisit our database selections by clicking Show All directly above the search fields. And here you will see a list of all of our previous database selections. You can modify these selections at any time by clicking Choose Databases. Since our question is related to behavioral health in scope, I recommend adding in APA Psych Info. Now we can hit Search again. And we now have even more articles at 177 results. In my next video, I will discuss filters and refining search results.